Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this sunflower accessory. We can either use it as our back charm or use it as our bookmark. If you are new here, I'm sharing easy crochet tutorials every second week. Please subscribe and turn on notification. Don't forget to tag me on Ins when finished so I can know how your flowers looks like. Now let's begin. These are materials we'll be using. We start with a brown yarn with a double circle to do our flower heart. Here we chain 1 to start, do not count this chain as a stitch. Then we do 6 single crochet in the circle. If a double circle is too difficult for you, you can also do a normal magic ring, then do 6 single crochet. You can now pause here until you have 6 single crochet. Now we close the circle, so we pull through the tail and we find one of these 2 yarn is moving. So here we pull through the moving yarn to close the circle. So now the circle is super tight. And it's safe to cut off the tail. Finally, we find our first space to do a slip stitch to close this round. So this is our round 1. Every time we start a new round, we chain 1 as a turning chain, do not count it as a stitch. Then in each space, we do 2 single crochet, which is 1 increase. So this is our first increase. We do 6 increase in this round. When finishing, we will have 12 stitches. Every time we come to the end, we do a slip stitch through the first space to close this round. Then we chain 1 to start next round. At round 3, we do 1 single crochet in the first space. Now 1 increase in the second stitch, so this is our pattern. We still repeat 6 times. By end of this round, we will have 18 stitches. Finally, a slip stitch through the first space to close this round. And cut off the yarn, so this is our flower heart. Before moving on, we can move the tail to the back. Here we can tie some knots to secure the end. For one flower, we need 2 of these flower hearts. They are using the same pattern. You can now pause here to finish the other one. Now we do this little heart, and we need 2. We still start with a double circle. And we chain 3 to start. Then we do 4 double crochet in the circle. 2, 3, 4. Then we do 2 half double crochet. Here 1 single crochet and 2 chains. Finally a slip stitch, so this is a 2 chain picot stitch. Now we move to the other side and repeat the same pattern. Here we come to the last double crochet. Finally, we chain 3. Before finish it, we can now close the circle. The advantage of using a double circle is the final result is super tight, so that it's safe to cut off the tail. Finally, we do a slip stitch through the circle to finish this heart. And we chain 1 to secure the end. Here we need 2 little hearts. The difference is, for one heart, we cut off the yarn here and leave a long tail about 30 centimeters long for sewing. For the other one, we work continuously to do the string. Here I did 65 chains. You're welcome to adjust accordingly. Once you are happy with it, you can cut off the yarn. Finally, we attach these two hearts back to back and sew them together. Here I will use 2 ply of this yarn to do the sewing. You can also use hot glue or glue gun to attach these two hearts together. So this is our heart with a string. Finally, we find our flower heart, start with any stitch and attach them back to back to do our flower petals. Here we connect our yarn and chain 1 to start. Then we do 1 half double crochet still in this current stitch. Now 1 double crochet still in the current stitch. Then we chain 2 and come to the next stitch. Here we first do 1 double crochet. While moving on, remember to head the tail. Now 1 half double crochet still in the current space. Finally, chain 1 and a slip stitch through the next space. So this is the pattern of the flower petals. Now we repeat 1 chain, 1 half double crochet in the current stitch, 1 double crochet still in the current stitch. Then 2 chain and move to the next stitch. So here 1 double crochet and 1 half double crochet. Now 1 chain, then a slip stitch next. So this is the pattern of the flower petal. When we finish 2 or 3 petals, we can connect our string with hearts. We can attach it with any tail left. We can also use glue gun to attach it here. Then we continue to work our petals. So we continue to do our 1 chain, and then repeat the same thing to finish all our petals. Finally, we do a slip stitch through the first space to close this round, and then chain 1 to secure the end and cut off the yarn. Then we head the tail. Done. If you like this project, don't forget to leave a comment below, or comment below any tutorial you want to see in the future. Bye, see you in next video.